Fast and easy how to change or put a nano SIM to your phone. All you have to do is get it by the below, and you must find in the box like this little tool and put it here in this hole. Don't do a stupid thing making it in this hole, because you're gonna make a damage on your phone. It must be in this hole. So you enter in this hole and press and take out this little like thing, and as you can see, here is a SIM. Take it out, and as you can see, the metallic part is facing up, so you get the new one, or the one you're going to change, or the one you're going to put, and put it like this. And remember that this is in this square, in this point, there's like a little cut, so you must put it in, and you must look that the SIM is not going out. It's like it didn't have nothing. And now as you can see it, remember where is the hole. You must put in, looking in the hole with hole, put it in, and now you can turn on your phone. That's all you have to do. Remember to subscribe, comment, and give me some bucks if the video was good for you. And the same thing to the other side if you're gonna put two SIMs. Like, subscribe, comment, and thank you.